Hi, I'm Chris Gallagher, an instructional developer for Blackboard. Welcome to the tutorial on Section Robot. Before you can import your sections, you'll first need the channel ID number for where the sections will reside. Channel ID numbers can be found in the Channels tab. Underneath the channel name, we need to add sections to the Departments channel, so we'll use 24 for the channel ID. To import our sections, we'll first select the Tools tab in the Happy Valley Middle School site workspace, and then select Section Robot. The Section Robot tool allows you to import multiple sections. However, you first must have a comma-separated value file to import your sections. You can select the User Assistance More button to download a sample CSV import file, or use spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel to create the file. Let's take a look at an example. In your CSV file, you need to have at least a section name, menu name, and channel ID for each section. If you want to assign an editor to each section, you'll also need to include a username field. You can get the username for each user in User Management. For this example, we'll import an existing CSV file that includes only the required fields. In the Import Sections window, we'll first select Browse to navigate to our CSV file, and then select Open. When you import sections, you'll have to select the section configuration. That configuration can be a default configuration provided in SchoolWires. However, if you wish to use a custom section configuration for your sections, you should create the configuration before using Section Robot. For this example, we'll select Middle School Teacher Section Configuration from the drop-down list, and then select Import. Once your sections have been imported, you have the ability to roll back your import or delete the import record. If there are any errors on import, you'll see a growl and the View Exceptions button. The Details button allows you to view who imported the sections, the number of sections, and any invalid records. Congratulations, you have completed the tutorial on Section Robot. Be sure to check the How Do I tab regularly for new and updated materials. Thanks for watching.